First of all, could you explain to me what is PTB, what do you do, what are your main tasks?
PTB is the National Metrology Institute of Germany. Metrology as the science of measurement, and is the key service provider of metrology in Germany to German industry and society.
What kind of things are you measuring?
Well, measuring everything what you need to assure quality in industrial products, for example. It started with mass, temperature, but more and more also chemical measurements are developed in PTB. PTB is the oldest national metrology institute in the world and has 4 objectives. One, first, PTB developed new measurement standards and methods. Secondly, PTB assures the efficiency in industry and through that assuring the competitiveness of German industry. Thirdly, PTB assures consumer protection so that you as a consumer are sure about the quality and quantity of products that you are purchasing. And last but not least, PTB is trying to assure the comparability of measurements all around the world by supporting other institutes in the world to build capacity.
Why? I mean, it may seem like a very simple question, but why the importance of reliable, accurate measurement in regards to sustainable development?
Well, in the area of sustainable development, the process of sustainable development needs, for example, or promotes green products, and this product has to be sold in the market, and the consumers need to be sure that what they are buying as a green product is really a green product, because normally they are paying more for that. Sustainable development promotes the efficient use of resources, and to assure the efficient use of resources, you need to measure, to analyze products, systems, and the measurements and the quality infrastructure are delivering these services to assure that. The International Standard Organization, for example, estimates that by introducing standardized energy management system in enterprise in selected areas, 60% of energy can be saved.
I mean, how is your company PTB working with quality infrastructure in developing nations?
Well, the PTB recognizes that to address the challenges of this world, you need in developing countries also a well-functioning quality infrastructure. And since the beginning of the German development program 50 years ago, PTB is implementing projects to support partner institutions in developing countries to build the capacity so that they are able to offer these important services.
Could you give me one specific example?
For example, we have projects in the area of assuring drinking water. In the drinking water sector, you need to measure the consumption of water in order to monitor the water net. And we have a project with Peru where we supported to establish competent, international recognized measuring capabilities to measure water consumption. On the other side, we also supported the Peruvian institutions to build up capacity to assure quality assurance in the laboratories who are analyzing the quality of drinking water. The interesting part of this project is that we make this technical cooperation together with Brazilian and Mexican colleagues, using or cooperating and using their expertise. And now Peru is able to help the Bolivian colleagues. So we have also a project with Bolivia to assure quality in drinking water, in the drinking water sector, and the Peruvian colleagues are supporting this project.
And what is it you would like to see out of the Rio+20 summit?
Well, we came here to Rio with three expectations. One is to show the importance of quality infrastructure for sustainable development. Secondly, to assure that quality infrastructure matters are integrated in the sustainable development discourse. And thirdly, to identify new needs and new challenges of the sustainable development process that can be addressed by quality infrastructure and through our projects.